Do you like speed? Do you like metal? Do you like beauty? Then bring your family down to the Gearheads for Good event this Father's Day weekend. The Gateway Church parking lot will be converted from a parking lot into a parking lot! A parking lot filled with classic cars, muscle cars, hot rod cars, big cars, small cars, red cars, blue cars, one car, two cars, Dr. Seuss cars!
No Dr. Seuss cars will be featured.
Gearheads for Good is teaming up with the Gateway Food Pantry from 9:30 to 2 p.m. to put on an event that will simultaneously fight hunger! So get yourself down to Gateway Church on McNeil Drive this Saturday for Father's Day like no other! Donations of $5 or one food item will go to restocking and supporting the Food Pantry! It's the biggest Father's Day Gateway has ever had, so be there!